Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So, Big Brother season 3 winner,
their
Mpho
mother, and she
Baba
has
Demo is
released a
mourning.
statement with heavy hearts and deepest sorrows. On behalf of the Vuntla family, we are saddened to announce the passing of our mother Elizabeth. Our mother left life to go and join our ancestors on the 6th of August 2024 after a period of illness. She was laid to rest on the 16th of
She was in
August
our lives,
2024. Our mother was everything to us,
our
and we
hearts
can
are
never
heavy with
forget.
pain.
We are hopeful that the sun will rise again and will learn to live with the pain of losing our mother. As a family, we would like to thank everyone who has supported us during the difficult time. Your kind expression of sympathy are appreciated, and we'd like to further extend our gratitude to M&M Funeral Home for giving our queen a dignified send-off and taking care of us during this time. Our queen is survived by a son, a daughter, and 4 grandsons. We find comfort in knowing that we have gained Inhlosi Elihle. So that's it from Mpho.